all was looking.
A sip of Chardonnay, a taste of beer, a nibble of drunken chicken. What do these all have in common? Alcohol. And alcohol has the ability to give your child FAE, or fetal alcohol effects. According to the AACAP's website, alcohol is the leading cause of birth defects in the U.S. Most people know that when they drink they can cause their baby problems, but they don't know that even the tiniest bit of alcohol can be dangerous. I think I want children someday, so I did the research on this topic from the internet. Because it's the leading cause of birth defects and it's 100% preventable, I wanted to talk about the dangers. Dad, mom, people who want children or have children need to know the different effects of alcohol, which are FAS, which is fetal alcohol syndrome, ARND, which is alcohol-related neurodevelopmental disorder, and the education problems that they have. FAS is a lifelong irreversible syndrome which leads to physical, mental, and neurobehavioral disorders according to AmericanPregnancy.org. Children with FAS have specific facial characteristics like a small head, thin upper lip, the philtrum, which is the area between the nose and the mouth right here, and it's usually smooth, flat, and really wide. They have heart, lung, and kidney defects. The mental defects would be mental retardation, hyperactivity. Comeover.2 says that the invisible effects of the neurobehavioral symptoms are harder to find because they're simpler. They're like lack of emotional control, poor impulse control, they can't manage money, and they can't be around regular people because they have immature behaviors. ARND or ARBD, which is alcohol-related neurodevelopmental disorders, is interchangeable according to fastlink.org, but they're defined as the impairments of the nervous system, spine, and other problems linked to alcohol consumption during pregnancy. To be diagnosed with ARND, you have to go to a professional, and it can't be due to postnatal insult, which would be fevers, being born premature, that kind of stuff. The hard signs of ARND are epilepsy, like seizure disorders, and then the soft signs are poor hand-eye coordination, poor tandem gait, which is a test the doctors do when you have to touch your toes to the back of your heel and walk in a straight line. They can't do that. The CDC.gov says that for education, they have different effects ranging anywhere from mild to severe, and they would be difficulty paying attention, math concepts, they can't grasp them. They have low IQ levels, poor memory skills, and these might seem normal to any child who is, slower learning, but if you drink, you increase the chances of them getting these problems by 1 out of 750. My purpose was to convince you not to drink while you're pregnant. I discussed FAS, ARND, and education problems that the children experience. I researched the topic on medical websites and in books. I think fathers, moms, dads, parents, everybody needs to know that alcohol can influence your child greatly. Elizabeth Stone said, to decide to have a child is momentous. It's to forever decide to have your heart walking around outside your body. Everyone wants a good heart, so think about that the next time you want just a sip, or just a taste, or just a nibble.
That's it.
Record.